In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to push to GitHub using a personal access token. This guide is designed to help you navigate the process smoothly. So let's dive in and get started. Before anything else, you need to create a personal access token on GitHub. This token acts as a substitute for your password when using Git via the command line. First, sign into your GitHub account. Once you're in, navigate to the GitHub Personal Access Token settings page. Here you'll find an option to generate a new token, and it might say Generate New Token or Generate New Token, Classic. Click on it to begin configuring your new token. At this point, you'll want to select the required permissions for your token. In most cases, you'll need the repo permissions, especially if you're dealing with private repositories. After carefully selecting the permissions, go ahead and generate your token. It's crucial to copy this token immediately because GitHub will only show it once. Make sure to paste it into a secure location where you can easily access it later. With your personal access token ready, it's time to configure Git. This is a one-time setup process, and it's very straightforward. Open your terminal and type in the following command: git config, global user.name, your name. Replace your name with your actual name. Next, you'll need to set your email with git config, global user.email, your email at example.com, making sure to replace your email at example.com with the email associated with your GitHub account. These configurations are necessary as they help Git attribute the commits to you. Now let's add the GitHub remote. This step involves linking your local project directory to the repository on GitHub so that you can push your changes. In your terminal, navigate to your project directory and use the command git remote add origin, followed by your GitHub repository URL in this format: https://github.com/your username, your repository.jit. Be sure to replace your username and your repository with your actual GitHub username and the name of your repository, respectively. Finally, you're ready to push your code to GitHub. If you haven't yet done so, make sure your changes are committed locally. You can do this using git add to stage your changes, followed by git commit to save them with a descriptive message. When your changes are committed and ready to go, you can push them to the GitHub repository. Simply use the git push command. You'll be prompted to enter your GitHub credentials, where instead of your password, you'll paste your personal access token you generated earlier. With that, your code should successfully be pushed to your GitHub repository. And there you have it. You've just learned how to push code to GitHub using a personal access token. Remember, this method keeps your account secure by requiring a special token instead of your password. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Happy coding!